Okay, so in conclusion to the video I put the other day about washing your wig, I have now, the wig has dried. So this is Ellen Villa Dance in Mocha Rooted. So the wig is dried. As you can see, it really needs to be combed. So you don't want to comb synthetic fibers when they're wet. It's best to just let them dry. You can comb them a little, or you can fix your part if you need to. My part got a little messed up, but not too bad. I'm going to show you how to straighten that out. But you don't really want to comb wet synthetic fibers. They're just you need to be very gentle with them. So once you get the wig, once it's completely dry, you can just kind of gently comb through with always using a wide tooth comb on synthetic fibers. These are not heat friendly, by the way. These are just regular synthetic fibers. So I'm just gonna, sorry, I held it down. I'm just gonna comb it out, really gently, get the nape combed out there. Hard to do in the air. But anyway, so then I'll put the wig on. So again, hold it by, right by the nape, stick it on my head, get it straightened out. I think my part is just a little bit, maybe it's not too bad. But what you can do is you can take a rat tail comb and just run it down your part. Get your part opened back up the way you like it. Okay, so now this wig is actually about a year old, and her fibers are still in pretty good shape. The only thing that has happened is she has lost a bit of her style. You can see she's lost some of her wave, and this is like I said, not a heat-friendly wig. So what I will do, well, I should have had this out, is again take my Restore spray, and I just mist it a little bit and scrunch it with the Restore spray. Mist it a little bit, scrunch it. Mist the back, kind of scrunch it. Because this is supposed to be a real shattered wave cut look. And then it'll just kind of dry and it'll stay like that. You could also spray on some Wig Safe hairspray. So anyway, that's how I finish the wig off. Hope you found this helpful.